Alright, go.
Hello. My name is Felix. I'm the cat in the hat. Meow. See, kitty.
What is your favorite book?
Oh, my favorite book is undoubtedly not Garfield. I hate Garfield. But I love the book The Cat in the Hat. Do you know who the star is?
Oh, yeah.
Me. Yes, me.
My sister.
But I like another book too.
You like Garfield because he has a cat in it.
Oh, you know what I think of Garfield?
That's so nice. You're not gonna have to go to Jurassic Measures.
Oh, my Okay. All right, go ahead. You may ask me a question.
Where's your favorite place?
My favorite place? Let me think about that. My
house.
favorite place is any house that I can totally mess it up. I love messing up houses. Hello, that's my belly. Okay, that's my belly.
Can I have you for a second, please?
All right. Whee!
Yeah. I should capture the cat in the hat.
Oh, why are you putting my hair in the hairnet?
I am capturing you.
Oh no! Help me! The cat catcher has caught me! Oh no! He's putting me in the bag! I am the proverbial cat in the bag! Someone help me! Help me! Oh no! Oh, Carter Brown has got me in the bag! Oh, my tail! Ouch! Oh, my legs! Do not go that way! You're breaking them! You're breaking my legs! Oh, Carter Brown!